हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री के इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन टॉपिक से एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड 40 नए क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे जो किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होने वाला है। इससे पहले डे 1 से लेकर डे 6 तक हमने इस टॉपिक से 265 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में अवेलेबल है। इसके साथ चैनल पर एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री नाम से एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बना दी गई है। इस वीडियो के बाद उस 6 वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिए। और हर दिन की तरह आज भी वीडियो के एंड में मैं इन 40 क्वेश्चंस में से आप लोगों से सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, जिनके सही आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, ड्यू टू अनडिसाइफर्ड स्क्रिप्ट व्हिच एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इंडस लाइफ रिमेन्स लार्जली अननोन? Correct answer, political life. Number 2, what were the Harappan rulers more interested in instead of imperial expansion? Correct answer, expansion of trade and commerce. Number 3, by whom was the administration of the Indus civilization likely conducted? Correct answer, a class of merchants or merchants guilds. Number 4, which features suggest the existence of a municipal administration for civic amenities? Correct answer, town planning, drainage and commercial goods. Number 5, according to Amayuri de Riencourt, what type of tax system existed in the urban centers? Correct answer, very efficient tax system. How was the contact between the Indus civilization and Mesopotamia and Egypt? Correct answer, direct contact. Which Harappan industry was found in the royal graves of Mesopotamia? Correct answer, handicrafts and stone industry. Which Harappan handicrafts were found in Bahrain? Correct answer, carnelian beads and ivory. In which month were seeds sown after flood waters receded in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, November. In which month were the cultivated crops harvested? Correct answer, April. Where was the wooden plough used in agriculture found? Correct answer, Kalibangan. What were the main crops cultivated by the inhabitants of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, wheat, barley, peas, jowar, ragi. How many types of wheat and barley were cultivated in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, 2 types. What was the large quantity of barley found? Correct answer, Banwali. What crops were grown for oil production in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, mustard and sesame. To whom is the credit of being the first people to cultivate cotton given? Correct answer, Indus people. What was cotton called in the Greek language? Correct answer, Sindhan. What was the source of the word Sindhan? Correct answer, Sindhu or Indus. Where was a piece of cotton cloth found? Correct answer, Mohenjo-daro. What was found in the Indus civilization for monsoon water conservation? Correct answer, large stone reservoirs. In which year BC was an artificial reservoir found in Girnar? Correct answer, 3000 BC. In which year was evidence of canal irrigation found? Correct answer, 2600 BC. In which regions of India did the internal trade of the Indus civilization take place? Correct answer: Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Maharashtra, South India, UP and Bihar. Through which roads was the trade of the Indus civilization conducted? Correct answer: both land and sea roads. What was used for transporting goods over land? Correct answer: bull or ox-drawn carts. Images of what were found on various seals as evidence of maritime trade? Correct answer: boats and ships. What is the name of a major port city of the Indus civilization? Correct answer: Lothal. On which coast is Lothal currently located? Correct answer: Gujarat coast. How many seals were found at Lothal? Correct answer: over 100. Seals from which region indicated that Lothal was a major port? Correct answer: Persian Gulf. What was the main commercial product of the Indus civilization? Correct answer: cotton. According to Mesopotamian records of 2350 BC, by what name was the Indus region known? Correct answer: Meluha. Which of the following are 5 port cities of the Indus civilization? Correct answer: Lothal, Alladino, Balakot, Sutka-Gender and Kuntasi. From where was gold imported? Correct answer: Afghanistan, Persia and Karnataka. From where was silver brought? Correct answer: Afghanistan and Iran. What was the main source of copper imports? Correct answer: Baluchistan and Khetri of Rajasthan. From where was tin imported? Correct answer: Afghanistan and Central Asia. From where were precious stones obtained? Correct answer: Western India. What was the source of zinc imports? Correct answer: Rajasthan, South India, Afghanistan and Iran. From where were copper seals brought? Correct answer: Lothal and Desalpur. तो आज हमने इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के नए 40 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए। तो चलिए अब मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए 3 क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, इन which month were the cultivated crops harvested? Number 2, what was cotton called in the Greek language? Number 3, through which routes was the trade of the Indus civilization conducted? तीनों क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।